Come test drive the 2026 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, trip computer. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.